Hi boys and girls, are you ready to go on another dance adventure with us?
Shall we ask the Wonderwall to send us our clue basket so we can guess what our dance adventure will be?
Wonderwall, could you please send us our clue basket? Esha, look, it's our clue basket.
I wonder what's inside here today.
Well, then I guess we should take a look. Ooh, there's a teacup and a saucer.
They look perfect for a tea party. What's next? A crown? What could this be for?
Teacup, crown. Teacup, crown. This isn't making any sense to me.
Me neither. But maybe our last clue will tell us what our dance will be.
Oh look, it's a letter. I wonder who it's from. Dear little dancers, I have heard about your wonderful ballet skills and I would like to invite you to come for tea with me at the Royal Palace at about 3:30. Yours sincerely,
Her Majesty, the Queen! We're going to visit the Queen!
I'm looking forward to visiting the Queen at the palace.
Will you join us to create our dance?
Where do you think the palace would be?
I know, the countryside.
Yes, and lovely green trees and fields surrounding it.
And our journey takes us on a wonderful trip through all the fields.
On a beautiful winding path to get there. Shouldn't we invite the teddies to come along too?
Oh, absolutely.
Okay then, I'll go get them.
Would you like to get your teddy or your friend to come along too?
Here they are.
Great, thank you. Are you ready?
So, we're off to visit the Queen.
Well, we'll need to place our feet in first position as we have a look around.
Which way do we need to go? What do you think, Ted?
Let's have a look. Is it this way? Or is it that way? What's that, Ted? You want to have a look behind us? Let's do a tippy-toe turn to see.
It's definitely that way.
All right, let's get going.
The fields are so green. It's going to be a lovely walk.
Let's begin. We walk 1, 2, 3, and 4. So tippy-toe runs and bend. Tippy-toe runs and bend.
Let's keep following along the path. With some tippy-toe runs, bends, tippy-toe runs, and feet in first position. I think we're headed in the right direction.
Yes, we are. Let's use our tondus. It's a point and close. Point and close. Point and close. Last time, point and close.
We turn all the way around and finish with our feet in parallel. I wonder what we're going to have for afternoon tea.
Maybe scones with jam and cream.
That would be nice.
Let's get going again. We don't want to be late for tea.
We could do some marching now.
Just like the palace guards. Step me up, step me up, step me up. Marching all the way to the palace. A few more.
What lovely green fields.
And beautiful trees. We need to get going now. Maybe some tippy-toe walks could help us.
Okay.
Walk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh look, we've arrived at the doors of the palace.
They're opening.
Oh, this is very exciting. We're about to meet the Queen.
Time for another turn. Wow, we've arrived in the Queen's grand reception room.
What a grand room. There's so much to see.
Point our foot to second position. Let's use our transfer of weights as we look around the room. Can you see everything, Ted? What a beautiful room.
One last turn so the teddies can see everything.
Yes, great idea. And a tippy-toe turn. And finish with our feet in first position.
I'm so excited. We're about to meet the Queen. We'll need to curtsy to her.
Yes, we will. We place our foot behind, slowly bend our knees, and come up, lifting our head to finish.
Well, we made it to the palace and met the Queen. I'm looking forward to tea.
Me too. Are you ready for our dance adventure now?
I think we are. Wonderwall, we are ready to go on our adventure now, please.
Are you ready? Here we go.